Hello, I'm Cy Credille, and I'm a Process Research and Development Group Leader at Cambrex Longmont. So the answer to that is probably the initiative that we call One Cambrex. So my team at the Longmont site focuses on very early discovery, process discovery development chemistry. And we focus on those first kilo scale deliveries, and we'll get you that material for that early portion of development. But as your product, as your molecule progresses further down, you can lose a lot of that knowledge by transferring to a different site or to a different company. What we do as One Cambrex is the science, the knowledge that we have in my team transfers along with the molecule even as we go to larger scales and later stages of development. So if you transfer from our site with your initial deliveries towards our high point site, for example, going from 20 to 100 kilogram scale, all of that knowledge goes with it. The scientists that invented your process will continue to be part of that development team at the next stage up. And so you don't lose that knowledge and understanding, which really enables us to hit the ground running. And that continues from the mid stage of development towards the final stage of development as you get ready for your NDA, as you're doing fate and purge, as you're doing proven acceptable range studies, for example, at our Charles City site. There's no more setbacks. There's no more, hey, we're gonna need 4 months to work on this to really know that the chemistry works. We're able to hit the ground running.